We all know Eid is coming. The day of celebration is coming. The day of happiness is coming. It is the day of gathering. It is the day of joy, the day of sacrifice, the day of gifts. But it is not the day of disobedience. It is not the day of displeasing Allah. It is not the day to break the commands of Allah. Remember, celebration does not mean disobedience. Happiness does not mean the displeasure of Allah. It is the day of celebration, happiness, joy, and fun, but not the day of disobedience. So please have some control on yourself. It comes in a hadith, أول ما يدعى إلى الجنة يوم القيامة الذين يحمدون الله في سراء والضراء. The first to be called to paradise on the day of resurrection will be those who praise Allah in prosperity and adversity, meaning those who remember Allah in good days, happiness, and in days of difficulty will be called to Jannah first. So don't forget Allah in Eid. Be the first one to be called to Jannah.